Road trip time. Alright guys, today we are taking a small staycation. Oh, that was close. They're offering me donuts right now. Okay, I'll grab one in a bit. So today we're taking a small staycation. It's like a 2-hour drive out of the city. This beautiful place, which is basically taken out of a Bob Ross painting called Banff, Alberta. We got these two in the back. Gohan, what the? Alright. Yo, Jonah, you don't have to go everywhere he goes. Okay, he's stepping up. Gohan. There you go, dude. There you go, dude. It's this one. Thank you, doggy. Well, I think we found a nice spot. Yo, this one, man. Yo, this is sick. We're right beside a river. Right, dude. He's good to go. Yeah. Sweet. So we found this little riverside with some picnic tables, and we decided we're gonna eat lunch here. It's perfect. Nice.
Here we go.
Brown bear, what do you see?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, Gohan, come here. Jonah. Mountain water, please hold my jacket.
Are you serious?
Please.
This isn't red.
Wait. I can't reach. A little further. Do you have me?
Yeah.
Please tell me you have me. I can't
This
reach.
is the trust thing.
Your hoodie.
Trust fall.
I'm so scared. I don't trust it. I don't.
Just want to see if I can do this. Land on my feet.
It'll eventually slide.
Watch your butt.
Do a front flip. Ay, nako, aboy ka.
Hi. Here's our hotel room. A little quaint. Go in this room. And actually, the pool is just right down there. We're planning on actually just eating dinner here and then grabbing dessert in town. But it looks like it's raining outside, so hopefully it's not too bad, but we're gonna bring the dogs with us and just explore downtown Banff. For those of you guys who don't know, this is such a magical place. But definitely when it's not raining or snowing. Actually, sometimes it's more beautiful when it's snowing. Alright, we're gonna go explore Banff downtown. Even though it's a little bit rainy outside, but all good. No, that thing's like half a hood. Now it is raining, so the city itself is fairly empty. So kind of nice, but at the same time, you know, just a little wet. This is it?
I can grab it, yeah.
Sure. Oh yeah, he's really nice.
Oh my god!
Say hi.
Oh, he's a chow.
Yeah.
literally looks like a lion.
I need to take a picture of it.
Hi, Papa. Yeah. Oh my god. You are my friend. Come here. I love you so much.
A little timid.
I have a Siberian Husky and he's not as good as you are.
Oh.
I want you to know that my dog is trash compared to you.
Saying hi. Damn. Jeff picked up some beaver tails.
He's raincoat.
Paddington Bear.
Hi. He's gonna dog raincoat.
So, yeah.
Can I pet him?
Yeah, of course. He's a little wet, but
That's okay. We're all a little.
it's all good.
Hi. I'm so thank
Too much attention.
My legs are scaring you guys. I'm frozen. I'm lost.
Wanna say hi?
That is so precious. Thank you.
Come on, Gohan. Telling you guys, Gohan is one of the best chick magnets. It's your turn. It wasn't all that busy on the main roads, so we shot a couple of photos. And also, here's one from yesterday. So me and the kin decided to take an early morning stroll in downtown Banff, and it's beautiful to be outside right now. Birds are chirping, the sun's beaming, and the stores are just opening up, but we're heading to this bakery that my brother loves. Actually, it's right behind me. So we downed our daily dose of caffeine, read a little bit. It's just a good idea to soak in natural vitamin D. Oh, this guy's super nice. I bought these guys presents. Part of Banff is actually under construction. Once our province lifts the restrictions, this place is gonna get so much busier. Sick. There's a TJ Hunt license plate. Jaden SMK. Yo, this is dope. That's a super rare front bumper too. If anyone wants to follow this guy. Cool find. Oh, this guy's always hot.
Okay, alis na ha. Wala nang magulo. Okay? Goodbye, best western. Nag-jogging. Nag-jogging. Hey.
Wow!
Oh, lakad lang yan.
Hey, there you go.
You chill, you're not gonna be left out. No.
Is this a pure chowchow? Chowchow, yeah. I haven't seen one that color yet.
Fake treat!
No, I've only seen the black and the baby.
His name is Gohan. Oh, yeah, that's
Hey,
You're a furry bum.
Who's that?
My friend has a chowchow. Can I pet?
Yeah, of course.
purple tongue?
Oh, look at that.
Yes. Are you jealous?
Yeah.
Are you jealous?
Does somebody know? 'Cause I don't know, I don't know, no, I don't know,
Is it nice, but Jay?
Yes! Awesome, man.
I mean, he's still good at green, but it looks
Right? So it's like normal. What are you doing?
Ako nahihilo sa'yo.
Rerun at this park a little bit.
Oh, I got burned right here. So keep your legs up. Keep your legs up. 10 to 10.
Wait. Holy shit.
Recording a video. Oh my god! Is that right?
Good enough for me. I looked back and they all started jumping off the top. Such a bad influence.
Dude, those kids are like going from 0 to do a backflip.
If I find it.
Found supporters, huh? Yeah, see you guys. Oh, that's awesome. Just heard that guy's like, oh, it's Birdie. There's so many Filipinos and Indians here.
You're so fluffy. Fluffer. What's his name? Gohan. Gohan, nice. I like that. That's awesome. Hi, Gohan.
Your dad's a hero.
This dog is like a tourist attraction. I ended up buying a pair of skate shoes from that shop actually, and then we just headed back home. All in all, it was really awesome spending quality time with the family and a nice little recuperation weekend getaway. But you know, I'm actually looking forward to going back to the garage. There's always lots to be done. Truth is, you create an unlimited amount of energy if you invest your time in the things that bring you happiness. Enough said, and I guess I didn't really get a chance to conclude this video, so I'm doing so now. Appreciate you guys for watching and for being here. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Yee!